I'm parking right now. Bazinga! Ding dong! Bark!
Okay, so now clip that and then send it to me so that I can have it as my ringtone every single day of my life. Okay, I need that on my phone, like right now. Oh, that was so good.
I'm sorry. That just kind of came out of me in a big guttural moan, like when you eat something really good. Like I was eating a kiwi earlier today, for reasons. But you know what? Yes. No, maybe, honestly, perhaps woman.
Honestly, I'm gay too. It's okay. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's okay. We're both gay. It's fine.